Takhamuzi tasembalenhle esekhunda tidonsa matima ngenxa yekweswelakala kwemandi. Sekuphele emalanga lasikhombisa emandi angaphumi etimpompini kulandzela kutsi konakale itransformer lempompa emandi. Kufika kwaleloli lephuma kumasipala kutophakela emandi kwende umehluko lomkhulu.
Kusela Monday thina asinamanzi ema-toilet kustakile abantwana khona abantwana abancane kumele baphuze amanzi kumele babayenzele amabisi abanye abazali basasebenzisa amanapukeni sicela amanzi sibe namanzi namhlanje still kusase iSunday asinamanzi awukho umnyakazo.
Umnikati walendzawo yekufihla inhloko uthi simo lababukene naso sidla kakhulu ephaketheni.
Currently we're busy ordering for 5,000 liters of water. They will be delivered. It is costly, but we have no other choice, but we have to give that service to the people.
Baholi bakamasipala weGovan Mbeki bathi seyikhona inqubekela phambili ekulungiseni lenkinga.
Eskom has managed to install a newer transformer and rainwater has started pumping towards Govan Mbeki last night. What we are noting is that rainwater is still pumping at about 50%, and we're hoping that they will be at 100% because they are ensuring that all the operations are in a stable situation so that we do not reach a situation where there's another breakdown.
Sodolopha wamasipala Nhlakanipho Zuma uthi letinye tindzawo sevele ticalile kutfola emandi. Etindzabeni tetfu ku Channel 163 lotilethelwa iNewsroom Africa ngingumweli Masilela embalenhle esekhunda eMpumalanga.